The concat and text join functions in Excel will combine text or characters together. So for example, in this data we have the manufacturer ID, product ID, the year, and the product description for different items we have in inventory. So if we wanted to combine all of those together to create a full product number, we can use the concat function. And I'm going to use the dialog box just so that you can see. This only requires you to enter the cells in which you want to join the text. So we want to join the text of this cell, the year, and the description. And you can see here it shows you what it will look like. So if we don't want the monitor in there, we can go up and just remove that, so that now we could look at our product number and know which manufacturer ID and year that it was made. So let's say we want to make that a little easier to read. We can use the text join if we want to enter a text such as a dash in between those fields. So I'm going to enter the text join, and I'll use the dialog box so you can see. So the text join is going to join these 4 fields together, and we want to use a dash in order to do that. So that's called the delimiter. It's whatever character you want to use to separate that data. So ignore empty, we're just going to say true. And then we'll just join the text in the different fields. And you can see here, it nicely formats that with the dash. And obviously you can use different delimiters such as periods, slashes, and so forth. But the text join uses a character in between the data, whereas the concat does not.